that I stepped into your arms. Waiting at Soho, the wind was whistling all its charm. I sang all my sorrow. You told me all your joy. Whatever happened to that old song? All those little girls and more. Sometimes I wake up in the morning, the ginger lady by my bed, covered in a cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. Now I'm not singing for the future, and I'm not dreaming of the past. I'm not talking of